Everyone is familiar with our emergency procedures for tornado and fire. We're actually going to go through 3 scenarios, the first of which is tornadoes. Here we go. If you hear an emergency call for a tornado drill, or we actually have severe weather and we are taking shelter, all students in all areas exit the east doors, turn right twice actually, and enter the first shelter closest to the building. And there you will report to the designated area of your team teacher, and that is your first block teacher. So it doesn't matter where you are in the building or who you are, everyone is going out the east doors towards the playground. That's the direction of downtown, east, and gonna enter the shelter, report to your first block teacher. Simple as that. If, for instance, you were in Mr. Oni's class and you heard the call for a tornado drill, it might look something like this.
Mostly doing it. Right here. Cool. Over. This. Here. Right.
In the event of a fire drill or an actual fire, again, an alarm will be called over the intercom system. We will say it is a fire drill or an actual fire, and all students in all areas will again exit through the east doors, but this time we're going to report to your team teacher, that's your first block teacher again, in the southeast corner of the basketball court. That area is shown in the map here, and that's what we'll do in the case of a fire. If you were in Harmon Hall, for instance, and the fire alarm sounded, you would exit, and it may look a little something like this. If, however, there is a fire in the building or a fire drill, and the east doors are obstructed by fire or smoke or debris or something, we can't go out that way, then we're going to use the one other door to exit the building. So in that case, we're going to go out the front door and then report to the soccer field, and that would look a little something like this.
Mercy.
And that's tornado and fire procedures. Be safe.